Hi everyone, welcome back to Ajisha Academy, and today we are going to learn how to install Java on your machine. We will be installing the latest version of Java, that is Java 17. For that, first of all, go to your browser and search for Java downloads. Click on the very first link, which is Java Downloads Oracle. Here you can see the downloads according to your operating system for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. Click on Windows. Here are the exe files and zip file. I will be preferring exe file because it is the simple one. Once your file is downloaded, click on it. Click on yes. Now follow the on-screen instructions. Click on next. By default, the folder of Java is C program files in Windows, and if you want to change it to another drive or another folder, you can change from here. Else click on next. Now the message on the screen says that Java is successfully installed on your machine. Close the pop-up, and if you want to check it, press Windows plus R and CMD, go on command prompt and write the command as java-version. Now this gives the Java version is 17.0.2. This is the latest version of Java which is being installed on your machine. By this way you can check which version of Java is installed on your machine. That completes the installation of Java on your machine. Please stay connected for more updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.